Welcome to day 3, probably the most important day in this because next we're going to optimize the video ready for uploading it on YouTube. And this is something I see people fail with all the time. They go to the effort of creating a really good video, then they don't optimize it, and then they wonder why they don't get any views. So in this video, we'll go through optimizing the video, the upload process, and I'll show you everything I do, okay? So we'll go over to, let's go to this one over here. So this is the video we created yesterday. So let me open this up and we'll start right at the beginning, okay?
Meet the cutest little penguins.
Right, so that's our video. So at this moment in time, the video doesn't have a title. Now, this one was about penguin facts, wasn't it? So let's go over to ChatGPT. Let's go over here. And that is our squad. That is our channel. So I'm going to come over here. Now, first of all, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of all this. I have been doing a bit of work since the last video. And I'm going to put in here, can you please give me a YouTube description? Oh, hang on. Let me just pause the video. Let me see. Did we get a description yesterday? No, we didn't, did we? Sorry. All right, let's go back. I couldn't remember whether we'd done a description or not. So I'm going to come back over here. And we're going to say, can you please give me a YouTube description for a short video about 5 penguin facts? And hit on enter. And then obviously it's going to give us this. And it's going to give us our title. So we've got up here, look, this is our title. 5 amazing penguin facts you didn't know. So the first thing is I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go over to syllabi. And we're going to give this a name. So that will be that one.
They start their journey huddled.
So that's the video done. So let me go back and I've got a title, okay? Straightforward and simple. So I'm going to scroll down. You can see the title is on there. So let me download this. And then once that is done, we'll go to our downloads there. And I'm going to open this up, okay? So I'm going to right click on it, and you do this on every video. We're going to properties. Let me move this over here so you can see it. So this is the title of this. So instead of it just being a blank name or random numbers and other bits, we give it a title. Then what we do is, you see over here, we've got digital security. We'll go over to details. Now you see all this here, title, subtitle, tags, comment, it's all blank. Now when we're uploading a video onto YouTube, we want to give YouTube and Google as much information as possible about the video so they know exactly what the content is and realistically who they should be showing that content to. So this is what we do. So over on general, we've got 5 amazing penguin facts you didn't know. I'm going to copy that. And now I'm going to use another piece of software which is free to fill this in and get our tags for the video. So for this, we're going to open up a new tab and it's called rapidtags.io and it's free. It takes 5 seconds. We click on use tag generator and we paste our video title into there. And we hit on search and then it gives me all of these tags down here. So then, which is absolutely awesome. Let me just get rid of this so you can see. So that's all good, okay? Now, we've got all of those. Now, where is... Oh, let me get rid of that. There we go. See where it says copy tags at the bottom? We're going to copy that, and I'm just going to come over here into... Let's get rid of this a minute. Let's paste this down here. So, I'm going to paste that into here. Into my working document. Okay? So we've got all of those. Now I'm going to take a few of these. So I'm going to take penguin facts, amazing penguin facts for kids. That'll do. Copy that. And now I'm going to go back over to here, which is my video file. So originally was on general. We'll go over to details. Now those tags I have just got, I'm going to paste into there, into our tag section. Then for the title and the subtitle, the title needs to be the same as there. I'll paste that in there. And then as a subtitle, I'm just going to paste that in again. And I'm just going to get rid of the end bit. And I'm just going to leave it like that. So 5 amazing penguin facts, etc. Then for rating, I don't know if this makes any difference or not. I always give it a 5. But why wouldn't I? So then I'm going to click on OK. So now that video file is completely optimized, so YouTube will know exactly what it's about once we're uploading it. So let's upload it. So let's go from here and let's go over to our YouTube channel, okay? And then we're going to click on create and we're going to upload our video. Again, straightforward. This is all straightforward and simple. It just takes a little bit of time, okay? So here we now have the option to upload our file. So I'm going to click on there and I'm going to go to downloads. And there it is, 5 amazing penguin facts. So I'm going to upload that. Now, if you don't know, YouTube will populate the title for you from what is in the video file. So you can see that is on there. Why is that over there? It's because I can't spell. So we've got our title on there. Then, obviously, we need a description. And we got that, didn't we, from over here, from ChatGPT. And you'll also notice it's got our hashtags in here as well. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to go back over onto YouTube and I am going to paste that into here. Okay? And then, I'm just looking at these hashtags. So basically, over on YouTube, it will put the first 3 hashtags underneath your video title once it's published. Now, if my keyword is amazing penguin facts, like that, I'm going to want that to be my first hashtag. So, I'm going to come over here, I'm going to hit on space, I'm going to do hashtag, and I'm going to paste that into here, like so. And then all I'm going to do here is, I'm going to take these back so they all match up, okay? Hit on there. Amazing penguin facts. So that hashtag is in there. I've then got penguins, wildlife. Do I need the rest of these? Probably not. So I'm going to get rid of what? I'm going to get rid of those. There we go. Amazing penguin facts, penguins and cute penguins. Now, this video over here is in the short format. So if the video was a vertical format, we'd be able to go ahead and create a unique thumbnail for this. Now, when you are uploading over here, look, on a laptop, it says you can only change the thumbnail on the YouTube mobile app. So if you're on a mobile and you're uploading this, then you can go ahead and change the thumbnail here and upload your own. But because we're doing it on a laptop, so you can see the screen and the process, we can't, okay? So we just have to go with the thumbnail that YouTube is giving us for a short video. But if it was in the vertical format, we could create and upload our thumbnail using Canva, okay? Again, straightforward and simple. The other thing we've done here is, so we've got our title, scroll down here, we've got our description, we've got our hashtags in here, thumbnail we can't do anything about because obviously it's a short, then we have got playlist. Now I'd recommend creating a playlist for specific videos that you're uploading in specific keywords. So in this example, if we're going with penguin facts, guess what, we're going to create a playlist around penguin facts. So I'm going to click on new playlist. And I am going to type in here, amazing penguin facts. Like so. And then I need a description. So am I going to do this myself? No, I'm not, because I am useless. So we're going to go over here to ChatGPT. And we're going to say, please, can you give me a description for this YouTube playlist? YouTube playlist. Like so. I'm going to hit on enter. And then it'll literally, as you can see on the screen, it will give me the description that I can just copy and paste, okay? There we go. So I'm going to copy all that. I'm now going to go on here and I'm going to put that in the description. So again, what I'm doing here is I am giving YouTube as much information as possible so they know exactly what the content is about on this account, exactly the type of videos that were uploaded, and they will know which audience to show these videos to. Basic stuff this. Then we're scrolling down here. Is it made for kids? Yes or no? No, it's not made for kids. Scroll further down the page here. Let's come down. Does it include a paid promotion? No, it does not. Come further down the page. Is it altered content? Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person basically just go through this and answer it yes or no. And it doesn't. So if I come further down the page here, automatic chapters, yes, you can just leave that on. Yes, leave that on. And then we have got tags. Now, do you remember at the beginning we went over to this website called Rapid Tags? So I'm just going to copy those again. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste that into that. Oh no, it's giving me the Iron Man ones. Let me come out. I've gone on the wrong one. Let me go to here. I'm going to cut. Go back over to YouTube and I'm going to paste that into there. Now look at this. My score has got an optimized score of 90 out of 100. Come further on the page here. It's giving me other tags. And that's pretty much it, to be honest with you. So if I come up here, keep coming further up the page here. So it's saying our title, you see over here, it's giving me a score of 80. Now this over here, where I'm getting these scores from, is from, I'll put a link to it down below for you. It's free as well. It's called, I'll show you now. It's called vidIQ. And basically it's a Chrome extension. So it's this one over here. So sign up completely for free. And then you will get a little, as you can see up here, a little Chrome extension, and you can see sign up, absolute, sign up for free. And then whenever you're creating your content, it will give you all of this information. Okay, it's awesome. So you can see you've got your title, your optimization score. If I click on expand over here, I can tell you why it's giving you that rating. Okay, so if I scroll down here, it's giving us a point for not having a custom thumbnail, and also at least one end screen. But obviously this is a short that we are uploading, okay? So I can't really do too much about the thumbnail. So let me close that. So that's all of this part pretty much done. Pretty happy with it. Then we've got video elements. And on here, we can add a related video. So for example, if we had a number of videos on the channel now, I would simply click on add, and then I could add the videos in here. Okay, so you can see to link a short video to gain access to other YouTube features, you've got to verify the account. So that is straightforward and simple, okay? And it tells you what you need to do on there. But at this moment in time, because this is the first video we are uploading on the channel, we can't link to another video. But if we did have one in there, we'd just click on add and we would select the video. So that's it, okay? And then we've got visibility. What do we want to do? Do we want to make it public so everybody can see it? Do we want it unlisted? So it's basically only you can watch it, or you can share it with people and they can see it, or you've got private. And that is it. Or you can obviously schedule it out. And you can schedule for quite a bit ahead of time in there. Date and the time. And that there is basically it. So if I now click on here, and I want to make that public. So if I now click public, that will go live on the channel. Should we do it? There we go. And that is it done. So that there is my video over on the channel, the first one. So if I come here now, click on here and go on to your channel, we will see it down below. So we've got, look, created playlists. So that is our playlist, and we have got our video over in here. Absolutely awesome. So that's today's video. Okay, that is how you optimize your video. In the next video, I'm going to share with you how you can get lots of ideas for future content, how to be getting different ideas for your videos, more titles, and even how to find video titles what people are searching for in any category, in any niche. Enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow.